we wanted to focus on family and consumer sciences professional development. So we held a 2-day culinary workshop for teachers across the state of Kentucky. Some are way far east. And we were focusing on the innovation of sous vide cooking, which is a French technique.
That form of cooking has been around for a very long time. Many teachers are not using that in the classroom yet because the cost that is sometimes prohibited. And so this grant allowed us to purchase the cookers for the teachers, and then that way they can show that form of cooking. And we also talked about innovative lesson planning, then using this equipment in the classroom.
We partnered with a meat scientist, Dr. Thomas Powell, out of the Hudson School of Agriculture to come talk about the meat science. I talked about the sous vide equipment and presented on that, and Melissa Goodman worked on the application for the classroom piece. The teachers sous vide a protein and a vegetable, and they also used various techniques for potatoes, and they cooked either a chocolate cake or a chocolate brownie dessert, and they presented each course to a panel of 6 judges.
And they range from youth, like the teachers would have in their classroom, all the way to professionals in nutrition and dietetics, and then Dr. Powell as well. They were able to judge the different items that the teachers prepared, which were using different methods. So they use convection, air fryer, which is a form of convection. They use the sous vide. They also use the microwave. We were looking at the taste of it, and the different methods create a little different texture. And so it was important to see from the beginning of learning how the equipment works itself all the way to the end and having it judged and get that judge feedback. We strive to produce students that are going to be awesome classroom teachers, but also to support those teachers as they go out into the classroom. And by offering this professional development and innovation in culinary, then we're able to support teachers where they're at in the classroom beyond our campus. So we're actually taking our campus into the state and beyond.